Welcome to Mechanical Engineering Design, and in this tutorial we are going to design this part in Solidworks 3D modeling. So first we'll begin with this part, which has a height of 65 millimeters, width of 20 and total length of 110. So let's get started. So we'll go to right view, sketch, pick rectangle command, and we'll use center rectangle. So sketch like this, height of 65 millimeters and base of 110 millimeters, like this. Then we'll sketch two holes, which is this one and the other one. So pick circle and sketch the first circle here, and then the second one here. So next we'll dimension from center to this point, height of 44 millimeters and diameter of 15 mm. So there is this distance at 5 mm from whole quadrant to the web. So from here, this point, so this means from center to the web is 35 plus 7.5, it's 42.5 millimeters, like this. Then click on center, hold on shift, click on center of the second circle, then make them horizontal. Click on this circle, hold on shift, click on this one, and then make them equal. Now smart dimension this point, 42.5. When you are done sketching that, you can sketch the other parts. There is this hole, diameter 22, then diameter 44. So just sketch like this. First hole, second hole, smart dimension. You see there is this height of 100 mm to center point of this circle. So from this center, this base, 100 millimeters. Now diameter of inner circle is 22 and diameter of outer circle is 44 mm. So from center, hold on shift, click on center of this one, make them vertical. So they are fully defined, but there is this web. So big circle, this point, this one, right click, select, repeat line again from this other point, this outer circle, right click, select. So click on this line, hold on shift, click on this circle and make tangent relations like this. We have this other feature, so we can use one simple sketch or one single sketch, and then we extract all the other parameters. So all features that can be seen on the right view can be sketched on one sketch. Then we just go ahead and use extrude feature to obtain the other features. So we'll pick circle, we'll use circle, and then identify midpoint of this line, drag it outwards, repeat like this, smart dimension, the inner circle as radius 18 mm, the outer circle has a radius of 32. So the diameter will be 64, and the inner one diameter will be 36. Like this. Then we go ahead to trim entities, trim this line, this one. So at this point we have enough sketches. Proceed to features and then extrude boss base. So our first contour will be this one. So select this and reverse direction. Give a distance of 20 mm. Like this. And then OK. Now our second feature is this one. So just click on this arrow to obtain this sketch. Go to extrude. Now on contours we'll select this one, reverse direction at a distance of 10 millimeters. Like this, and then OK. See what we get. Now next feature, we go to the same sketch, the first sketch, and then go to extrude. We'll select, we want to obtain this feature, so we'll select this contour. Now we'll have two directions. The first direction is the distance of 10 mm. Then we go to direction 2. The distance of total distance is 40 mm minus 10 is 30. So 30 mm. Click OK. So you are done with this part. We go to the next part, which is this one. So just go to the same sketch and then go to extrude. On contour we select this one. Now we'll have two directions. So the first direction is at a distance of, this is 32 plus 32, which is 64 millimeters. Like this. And then direction 2, just click on direction 2 and select up to surface, of which we will reverse like this and select this surface. And then OK. See what we get. So simple. So we have used one sketch to obtain all these features. So our next feature will obtain these ones, and then finally we'll complete with the web. And I'll show you the simplest way you can obtain the web. So first, let us sketch these parts. So go to reference geometry and then plane. Now we want to obtain a plane that is at a distance of 22 mm from bottom surface, or we have another surface over here at a distance of 65 mm. So 65 minus 22 is 43 mm. So I can click on this surface like this and then flip. Now we'll give a distance of 43 millimeters like this, and then OK. we'll select on this plane, or you can just extend like this, and then select and sketch. Now on this plane, we'll have to have a section or have a semicircle. So pick circle, sketch a circle like this, pick line from this point, this quadrant, right click, so like this, and then go to trim and erase this side. The arc has a radius of 15 millimeters. Now from the center of this arc to the center of this feature is 40, and then from this face to the center of this arc is 32. So this distance is 40 mm. And then from this edge to this center is 32 mm. Like that. So without doing anything, we first go to features and then extrude. Reverse direction and then select up to surface, which is this surface, like this, and then OK. So this is what you obtained, and then click this face and go to sketch, and then select convert entities, like this. Now go to features and extrude boss space and select up to surface, and which is this surface, like this. Select OK. You see what we get. Now click on this face and sketch. Click on circle, identify the center of this arc, which is here, and then smart dimension and give a diameter of 12 millimeters. Enter. So it's fully defined. Go to features and then extruded cut and select through hole, then OK. See? So our next step is to obtain the same feature as this on the other end. So to get the other feature is so simple. Just click on the same plane, sketch. Now on this other sketch, just convert, and then go to mirror entity, entities to mirror. We select this sketch, mirror about, select front plane and click OK. Then select this sketch, convert to construction geometry. Now go to features and then extruded boss, reverse direction, select up to surface and click on this surface, like this. Repeat the same procedure. Click on this face, sketch, and then go to convert entities, go to features, extruded boss, and select up to next, then click OK. You see? Now click on this face and sketch. Pick circle, identify center point, smart dimension, give a diameter of 12 millimeters. then go to extruded cut and select through hole, then OK. And here you go, we have the two features. Click on this plane, then hide. Now you want to draw the web in the simplest way as possible. Click on this face, then sketch. Pick line from this center, right click and select. Now use offset entities. Offset distance will use 5 mm. Then select this line and click on bidirectional. Then click OK. Now click on this edge and click convert entities. Same to this edge, convert entities. Click on this point, extend. Same to this point, extend. This point, extend. This point again, extend. Now go to trim entities. Trim this one. Trim this line. This one. Trim this one, and this one, like this. Click on escape. Now select this line and make it construction geometry. See what you get. Now go to features and extruded boss space, reverse direction, and select up to surface and select this surface. On contours we select this contour. See, select OK. Now click on this face and sketch. Click on line from this point to this point, like this, and close. Now click this end, hold on shift and click on this point, make coincident like this. Go to extrude, go to features, then extrude cut, select through hole and click OK. See what you get. So simple.